Hi, kindergarten. Welcome back to another Writer's Workshop lesson. We are going to continue talking about opinion writing. Don't forget, when you are telling somebody your opinion, you're telling them how you feel or what you think about something. This week, you're going to work on a couple prompts. The first one is, my favorite flavor of ice cream is blank because blank. My favorite toy is blank because blank. And the last one is, I like to wear blank because blank. So do you have a favorite hat you like to wear, or favorite rain boots? Maybe you have a lucky t-shirt or a lucky jersey you wear. Tell us about it. And don't forget, when you are writing your opinion, there's a super important word, and that word is because. Don't forget that every time you tell your opinion, we want to know why. Now today I'm also going to challenge you to add another sentence to your writing piece. So last week we talked about adding just one additional sentence. Today I'm going to ask you to add that third sentence if you can. And when we write that third sentence, it's a feeling sentence. And you'll see today when I show you my writing sample how I feel about my topic. So let's take a look at that. Okay, kindergarten, let's take a look at my opinion piece for today. So this prompt said, my favorite fruit is blank because blank. So you could probably tell by my pictures what I picked. Yeah, I picked an apple. So I started my sentence with a capital letter. My favorite fruit is an apple. And then I used that very special word, because. Remember that song I taught you? We could sing it together again. BECAUSE, USE, USE, BECAUSE, because. So I use that word to tell you my reason. Let's see what my reason is. Because they are crunchy. My sentence is over, so I didn't forget to put the period at the end. Then I added another detail to my story. Apples are sweet too. Uh-oh, I just noticed I left out a letter, and that's why we reread. So I'm going to add that S. Apples are sweet too. See if you can catch any of your mistakes as you're reading your writing too. Apples are sweet too. Now that looks better. Apples are good for you. Period at the end when I'm finished. So the last sentence kind of tells how I feel about it. Apples are good for you. I like them because they are good for you. So see if you can add more sentences to your writing pieces this week. And don't forget, you can always go back and label your drawings. So make sure your drawings match your words in your story. And then you can go back and add those labels. Remember, green apple, red apple. Boys and girls, I hope you have a wonderful week of writing, and I will see you next time.